Alright, tonight I decided to go over my missed CAX questions. I have done this before, but I thought it would just be a good idea to go over it again. So, as I looked up my first ACS missed question, which was effects of atmospheric conditions, including wind on takeoff and climb performance, I decided to go to the PHAK and look at my weather theory, which is chapter 17. I honestly should have read this chapter in private, not gonna lie, but I'm glad I looked at it now. It has so much important information and it really breaks down like how all of this really affects our aircraft performance, which I already knew, but it really shows you like why it's important to know how humidity, temperature, air pressure and the way it flows and how all of that correlates even with like the heating of the Earth's surfaces with the Coriolis force, and it really gives you a better understanding of how to apply that in your day-to-day flying. And so I'm about halfway through this. I only have like a few more sections to go over, but this was such a good read and it really gave me a better understanding of how everything kind of goes together in one. Like, yeah, so I would suggest going over this, especially if you're a private student.